Hey guys, this video has complete details about beautiful Kumta beach trek. As you all know, there is famous beach trek from Kumta to Gokarna. But this video is about Kumta to Honavar beach trek. It's a 2 day trek. We camped in the beach, then visited waterfall and famous Murdeshwara temple. Watch this video till end for complete details. We were total of 23 members. We went in minibus to the trek starting point. If you are going by public transport from Kumta bus stand, take a auto to reach Alve Dande village. Have provided trek starting point map location link in the description. Overall, it is approximately 13 kilometers, moderate to difficult trek based on climate. Do carry enough water. Trekking in beach during day is very difficult in summer. From trek starting point, it's approximately 3 to 4 kilometer beach walk and there is a village at the base of the hill. You can take rest in the village and also drinking water is available here. There are many ways in the hill, so be careful and take proper route. This is the peak of this hill, so considering it as a peak, you have to start descending from this point. So take the proper route which goes down from this hill. After descending from the hill, there is another village where you can rest for lunch break, and here you will find drinking water. From here you have to cross another hill. Way is little difficult and slippery. And this is the last hill which we need to cross. After this it is a 5 to 6 kilometer beach walk to reach Honavar beach.